Dear all, I am Sendi Kumar, whole-time director of Tamil Nadu Petro Products Limited. I thank God for giving me this opportunity to speak to you and recall about our good mentor and friend, one of our earlier bosses in TPL, Mr. S.P. Charles. Mr. S.P. Charles was a architect of TPL, one of the architects of TPL. In fact, when TPL was started, he was the first HR personnel, human resources personnel, and he was very instrumental in developing the HR department from scratch in Tamil Nadu Petro Products Limited. Before joining TPL, I had the privilege of meeting him as a panel member of the interview crew when I went for interview in TPL. And after I joined TPL, I was only a trainee at that time. He was HR head. And so there was a big distance between him and me. But as the company grew and as Tamil Nadu Petro Products was a new organization which was really being built from scratch at that point of time, there was so much of intimate contact between people who worked at that time. When we all joined as trainees, we were taken care of as if we were the new children of TPL. The amount of efforts the organization took at that time to train us, not only in subject, but also in culture, in relationship, in interacting and cooperating and coordinating with others, and also in behavior. TPL has really laid a very good foundation for most of us. I am one of the beneficiary of the training of Mr. S.P. Charles. Mr. S.P. Charles is a very simple man. He was a very simple man, very casual man. He was a very good gentleman who can be approached by all the employees. He had very good memory and he knows all the people, almost everyone at that time by name, not only a senior officer, even a trainee, he could identify by name. And also, he was also a strict man. He was a very loving person. At the same time, he was a very strict man. He always knew when to control the people, when to chastise the people, when to punish the people, when to appreciate the people. And he was very correct in doing that. And he never missed an opportunity to appreciate, to recognize people. At the same time, he also never compromised on discipline in the organization. As a HR manager, I have seen him in various meetings and discussions. He was very cordial. He always tries to carry the people together with him. And also, lot of human related efforts was done by him during his period between 1985 and 1996 in TPL. He was a very respectable person in TPL. In fact, not only by the management, even the union leaders of that time and the union members of that time, they were also very much respecting Mr. Charles. Most of the senior people at that time were very respectable persons, and Mr. Charles was one among them. As a HR manager, he had to take very difficult decisions many times in his life because sometimes we may have to punish people for the wrongdoings. It is always not appreciation. There are times when we have to punish. There are times when we have to take disciplinary action, but still, he was able to do that without bias and also giving opportunity for people to transform, to change their attitude before taking any step of the extreme step of punishment. He maintained very good rapport with all the government authorities at that time, and he ensured smooth relationship, and he was a very good team leader. He developed a lot of his subordinates. He was a leader who developed many leaders. After him, many leaders were seen in the organization. Today, they are in many other parts of this world and also in many other multinational companies. And I'm sure they will all appreciate Mr. Charles for his mentorship during the tenure in Tamil Nadu Petro Products Limited. Our Mr. Charles was a very lovable person. Our Mr. Charles was very committed to the organization. Before I end, I want to give a small incident, tell you about a small incident that happened in the organization during his tenure. We were constructing the company at that time. The office normally starts at about 8, 8:30 and closes by about 5 o'clock. Charles was about to leave. It was about 5:15 or 5:30, I don't remember. One day, he was about to leave. He was waiting at the portico and the car was waiting for him. He was talking to somebody at that time. But at that time, we had a emergency requirement of somebody going out and buying something for the organization, some component or something we had to buy. So we went and approached Charles at that time. What happened was, unfortunately, all the vehicle already had left. He was the last man who was about to go. This vehicle was about to go. But when he understood the situation, what he did was he asked us to take his vehicle. He said, "Come on, take my vehicle, go, buy whatever you want to buy, bring it back and hand over in the factory, then I'll go." He said that and he went into his room straight. He didn't wait for anybody. Then we had to use his vehicle and then we could buy that and bring it back, and then only he left. Probably in those days, it had taken nearly about 1 hour or 2 hours for him to wait because on those days, the roads were not broad. There was also a railway gate, so people have to cross through all that, go and get it, get it from the store, and then come back and then hand over the vehicle. It was nearly 2 hours, I think. So he was not hesitating to support, even though he was not a technical person. He was not hesitating to support for the construction of the plant. That is why I said he was one of the architects of Tamil Nadu Petro Products Limited. He built the whole organization with people, the manpower, the human resources in TPL, which was a very great asset during the construction stage in Tamil Nadu Petro Products Limited, was handpicked by Mr. Charles and the team whom he had at that time. So he is a person who will never be forgotten in Tamil Nadu Petro Products Limited. He was one among the first cream of people in TPL who had shouldered the building up of TPL. I'm sure we are very thankful for Mr. Charles for his contribution in the building up of TPL. And those contributions are really the basic foundation on which TPL is standing today, even after nearly 35 years of construction. So I take this opportunity once again to thank Mr. Charles. He's not here now. I thank God for giving Mr. Charles to Tamil Nadu Petro Products Limited. And also, I thank the family members for giving me an opportunity to speak about him for a few minutes. Thank you very much.